Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how if we apply for the YouTube partner program monetization and then suddenly we get the notification that our monetization is not approved. Unfortunately your channel was not approved for the monetization, then get notification. Once we check the monetization tab, there is notification that you reuse content. Even I use my face videos all totally with the face with the original voice or original face, but still got reuse content about that issue. So how we are going to solve this issue? As you can see here, if you see the notification from the YouTube, review our feedback, our reviewers found that your channel contains the following reasons. So following reasons they give this one they give the reason: channel uses someone else content without making changes that add notification that this one is not our original. But if I show you the videos all with the face cam and voice over, and then this one is the original videos not using any other channel, but still YouTube not accepting the partner program. But best for us is, you can see here, appeal or reapply for the monetization. You can see appeal by sending a video. So we need to create a one video that we can appeal. So you can see the appeal detail what they gave. If you think that we made a mistake, send a video telling us why. We will review your appeal and get back to you with a decision within 14 days. Only choose this option if you haven't deleted any videos since your channel's application was rejected. So we need to create one video to start appeal. You can see here the instructions for the video. Create a video for your appeal. To help make sure that our team can review your video following these guidelines, film your video in a supported language. International language is English, so you need to create a video with the English language, and then keep your video under 5 minutes. So below 5 minutes your video should be below 5 minutes, and then show or mention your channel's URL within the first 30 seconds, and then mention the viewers feedback and tell us why it is mistakes. After creating your video appeal, upload it on your channel as unlisted and the paste the video URL below. So we need to paste here. So I already asked my friend to create the video. So now we already checked what we need to do. So we try to go videos and then create upload a video. The video already I asked my friend to do for the appeal. So I just select the video, upload. We need to upload just for the unlisted, not the publish. So this video we just get shareable link, go to the monetization tab, then select appeal, then paste here, that URL and submit. So now you can see here your appeal has been submitted. We will review your appeal and get back to you within 14 days. So we need to wait, no choice, we need to wait. And then we no need to delete any video before the reapplying this one. So you can see here, remember, if you delete any video after you receive your channel review decision, we won't be able to review your appeal. So this one must be careful. You just wait the 14 days. Within 14 days, maybe today can reapply or tomorrow or whenever possible they will reply us, and then we will see how. So now you can see here your appeal is under review. You will receive a response email within 14 days.